Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Make. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com and open up the website. If you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, you can do so by going into the plugin section right here and then setting up your WooCommerce plugins. Once you've set up your store, now we can go ahead and get started integrating it with Make. So how can we go ahead and do that? So basically guys, what we can do is follow the steps right here on the official Make website on how to connect WooCommerce with our integrations. So basically guys, what you want to do is get started. You can get started for free, no credit card required and no time limit on the free plan, even though there are premium plans that you can upgrade to. So here you can go and take a look at the documentation that you need to read about on how to go and connect with Make. So basically what you're going to go ahead and do so is going to create a custom application in WooCommerce. Like I just showed you, you're going to go into WordPress and from there you're going to go ahead and get started with generating your API keys that you're going to go and be able to connect directly from Make right here. You're going to go ahead and open up your Make application and connect that API key, so you can follow the steps right here one by one to get all the information that you need and to get started with connecting WooCommerce and Make. All of that can be doable right here from the WordPress platform, as I just showed you how to set up WooCommerce, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.